Cat. Cat. This is something Salem Binks 0. His name is Cat. I just wonder now. There's this one of the dog. The basically villain had my aunt's dog and cat. What are you looking at? So, what are you looking at? You looking at it? Oh, I see what I'm looking at. You're looking at a ghost. Wait, what? It was some speeder web or dust thing. Let's hope that. Let's hope. Yeah, he's still goes. Yeah, he's still looking at it. What are you doing, sir? I technically abducted him since he went on the desk. I have no idea where I'm actually petting him. I'm just petting him on the head a second. I just had the motivation to. There's a dog. Oh, I wish. Let's see. I'm not even sure this is gonna hear me, but are you gonna scout this guy? Doll. Shadow High. Okay. Do we have to abduct you again? Yes, I do. Abduct. No. What are you doing, sir? I heard a grumpy dog back there. It was a grumpy dog. Heart stand. This thing from Shadow High. I don't really watch the show, but they look nice. She kind of looks like Draculaura, though, from Mount High. And I got the doll that's from Shadow High, and that's from not Shadow High, Monster High. Chloe or something like that. I forget how to say her name. If this actually has the audio, the dog is my sister's dog, technically, as the mother, and my brother-in-law is the father, and my mom is the oh. What do you do? You can't see what he's doing? Apollo, don't put your paw on her arm. She does that. Anyway, just recently I found this computer has a DVD player, and I used the power and got some DVDs for Christmas. Since Dad does not. It's literally chasing. Okay, so. It isn't Ross.